Hello every guys. Today I want data recovery for iPhone 13 Pro Max from hardware, not software. How we can do it? We have to do swap. What means swap? Swap means separate the originally parts from the main board to another board. Means we buy another board and take the originally IC from the before board and new board. What is this IC CPU, IC eepram CPU, and IC NAND or memory. We change this one on new board because we need data recovery. We need our information. We don't want lose our data because customer wants data. Okay, see, I try to remove CPU. Which temperature? I use 380 degrees and on air 70. I remove the CPU. See, you should be enter too much soft because if that is too much hard, it's damage on the CPU. So we have to do too much house. So you see me 2 times, 3 times. I fell on the CPU on the board. I hope it will be okay. Okay, continue with me. Please subscribe me, like, comment. I take too much energy for your watching, for your comment. Okay, see, I removed the CPU. Thanks God, no any problem on the CPU. After reballing CPU, I check everything okay. See, now I reballing CPU and clean the board. I put CPU and NAND and eepram on new board and testing that one that is will be okay. Now I want to put the CPU on this one. Use the oil flexi because it's help you to put the CPU more soft. If you put the CPU more soft, 100% you not damage every place of the board. Okay, see, it's a little more. I take that oil and put the CPU. Okay, now I put the CPU. Which temperature now I use? I use temperature 380 and air 70. Also, you can use 270 if you use soldering 138. See now, a little liquid coming out. No problem about that. But if you use a little than me, better. But with this oil also no problem, you can do it. Now we're coming for put the NAND and eepram. NAND means IC memory, the IC or information inside. That's the big IC. When I remove this NAND, I separate a little thing from board, and I put the UV under the NAND and repair also the board. After that, we have to put the NAND here. But this is IC EEPROM CPU. If you not put this IC, means you lose your data. If you don't need your data, no need to change NAND and this EEPROM. Only change take your original CPU and put on another NAND, another board. It's IC EEPROM. Save the code for information between CPU and NAND. If that's code not inside this one, and this is change, this EEPROM you change, you should be restore your iPhone. Why? Because this code should be again from the first, and you lose your data if you change this EEPROM. But if you use originally EEPROM, IC EEPROM, you not lose data, and you have data, and no need to restore also, and also no need to update. It's coming up and not stuck on the Apple logo. But if sometimes stuck on Apple logo, only you need to update with data. But if you do update and it's not come back again, try in another time, because sometimes the server stuck or like this. But if you test in another time 100%, you have your data. And now IC NAND. Okay, this is IC NAND, IC memory. You should be put on the board. Which temperature you use for IC NAND? You should be careful and use temperature 270 and air under 70. You can use also more temperature, but if you use more temperature, you should be do it in the 20 second. Means you should be finish this item in the 20 second. And I use 380, and in the 10 second I put the NAND on the board. See, only 10 seconds. If you use more time, means you damage the NAND.